Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back from the xking.com. Hit you with another quick video. And this is something that I've been dealing with for the past 3 months. And what is the number one thing you must do to build a blog, a successful blog? What's the secret of blogging? What's the secret? And the number one secret is, beyond everything else, is to post content consistently. That's it. The more content you have, the more Google can rank for. So it's the old fisherman's tale. Like, if I have the more lines I have in the water, the more fish I'll catch. You know, instead of having 2 lines in the water, I got 20 lines in the water, so I'll catch twice as many fish because I have my lines out there to catch a fish. So the more content you have in your blog, the more content Google can rank for, and people can read your content. Now, people say, oh, it's Pinterest and other places, Reddit, and post your content up there. And that's important too. But you need blog posts to pin there. You need blog posts to spread around social media. You need videos spread. See, it's okay to have 2 blog posts, but once you post on social media, now you got a lot of traffic from the jump. You got to kind of build your profile. What are you going to do now? You going to market the same blog post you have for the past 2-3 weeks? Like, people's already seen that blog post. People's seen it. They're not gonna, but a new blog post, and you post 3 times a week, they see new content from you. You have more to say. Google have more to rank for. You have 100 articles on your blog compared to 10. Who you think will win? Who you think get more traffic? The person with 100 articles on the blog, or the person with 10 articles on the blog? Probably the person that has 100 articles on their blog, not 10, 100, because they have way more content to put up. Think about YouTube. Who will hit more views? The person with 100 videos or the person with 10 videos? Now, you could say that 1 on 10 could go viral, but what are the chances of that? If you start a brand new channel from scratch, if I did 100 videos in a week and you do 10, who will get more traffic? Who will get more traffic? I would. I'll get more traffic. I'm making more content. That's the number one secret of blogging. Pick a schedule you're comfortable with and do that. And do consistently forever. Till the day you die, you put up content. The day you die, you put up content. So the day you stop is when you stop getting traffic. And you gotta think about it. Content is what drives blogs. Content will drive YouTube channels. You gotta have content to people to see fresh. Google loves fresh content. All I say is this: if you start a blog, what I tell all my videos, I do this: you pick a frequency that you want to blog, and you work 40 hours a week. You got kids, family, husband, wife, whatever. Let's say you do 2 blog posts a day. Let's say I'm gonna do 2 blog posts a day. Cool. Go ahead and write 8 blog posts. Write 8 blog posts. Okay? Write 8. Before you start the blog, write 8 pieces of content. See, what you will do is once you start the blog and get the blog on a hosting company up and running, you could timestamp all 8 blog posts. From the next week into the next week into the next week. 2 posts a week. Do Tuesday and Thursday. So now you have a month's cushion. So now you can chill for a week. You don't have to write content. And what I would do is just do the first 8 blog posts, set up the blog, timestamp the 8 articles, and then the first week write 2 or 4 blog posts. That way you always are a month and a half ahead. That's what I do. I always stay ahead on my blog posts. I stay ahead. I like a cushion. I like to be safe. I like a safety net. I just like, oh, I have the right today because I have enough content going out. So that's the number one secret. And people say, soon you get content, publish it. True. The sooner you publish it, the sooner you can get ranked. I understand that. But if you're planning on blogging full time to make money full time, you got to treat it like a business. You got to prepare the business. It's like a store. A store doesn't open up until all the groceries inside. They don't wait until they have just bananas and pears in there and open up to everybody else. They wait until all the stuff in place, then they open it. The same with a blog. Just wait, have your content. Don't wait forever. Wait, just do it in a week. Don't wait 3 months. Don't do that. Don't wait 3 months to start your blog. I say, get my content ready. Write your content in 1 week. 1 week and open your blog the next week. That's it. Just do that and you'll be successful. Don't wait a month. Do it in 1 week. If you can't write 8, do 2, do 3, do 4. Do something and open the blog up. Hey, go to work, go to Bluehost, get your account, find your domain name, and hit the one click install WordPress, and there you go. Your blog is online, and you take your 2 blog posts, 3 blog posts, timestamp those. Then you got a week or so to create more content, and there you go. Then you start creating content. So that's my #1 secret, is to continue to post content. If you follow John Chow, you know I'm a big fan of John Chow. He practices what he preaches. He does a video a day, does 2 blog posts per day. He's been doing it forever. For 10, 11 years, he do a blog post a day, and he makes $100 grand a year. So you gonna follow the guy who makes $100 grand a year? He posts every single day, and he does a YouTube video every single day. He makes the money that me. He makes that type of money. I don't. All I can do is take what he says, and if that's what he does, I gotta do what he does. That's it. Whatever he does, or the top blogger does, that's what you gotta do. If they do a blog post a day, do a blog post a day. If they say pick a frequency that you can blog every week, do it. If he said do a YouTube video a day, just do it. Just do what they say over a period of time, and you'll be successful. All right. My name is Ty from the xking.com. Check out my blog. I'll see you next time.